Smali registers and parameters. Delvic bytecode registers are always 32 bits and can hold any type of value. Two registers are used to hold 64 bits types, long and double. Basic register names are V0, V1, V2, V3, V4, etc. Parameter and function arguments are named as P0, P1, P2, etc. In Smali, as I mentioned before, V0, V1, V2, and so on, and P0, P1, P2 are all registers. V or P is just nickname or alias name to refer to register. So when a method is called, the function parameters of the method are placed in the last n registers. For example, if you call a function with 2 arguments and you see a declaration of 5 registers in the method, the registers that will be dedicated to the function executing will be V0 and up to V4. 5 registers. The parameter sent to the function as a function argument will now get special place in a function register and will be located in the last 2 registers that are used in the function. In our case, it will be V3 and V4. So to make it simple, Smali gives registers V3 and V4 another name, P0 and P1, and now it's clear that P0 and P1 are the function parameters. If you will check V3 against P0 and V4 against P1, you will see that it indeed holds the same value, and P0 and P1 are just convenience names. With all being said, we still have one question. In the following picture, we see something weird. Show login failed function has 5 registers declaration, and it gets only one argument, one parameter. In that case, we would expect that the last argument will get the alias name P0 and not P1, as shown in the picture. The answer for that will be discussed in the next slide. Let's take the previous slide question and look over the following picture. So the question is, access100 function has 2 arguments, and as expected we see that the arguments are going into P0 and P1. Unlike access100 function, showLoginFailed function has only one argument, but we see that the function saves the argument into P1 and not into P0. Why so? The answer for that is that non-static functions are also get a reference to the object that the function is called. So showLoginFailed actually gets 2 arguments. In P0 it gets the object reference, and P1 get the actual function argument. At the following slide, you can see the call to the showLoginFailed function. You can notice that it sends 2 parameters, P0 and P1. P0 holds the object reference, in our case the reference to the class that showLoginFailed is a member of, and P1 holds the real function argument. Looking at the corresponding Java code shows that showLoginFailed indeed get only one parameter.